so today I'm gonna be opening this Pikmin Pops or Pikmin Flips Fruit Fiesta series. This is the collector guide. It have 3 different fruits: pineapple, watermelon, and strawberry. I picked the strawberry, of course, because it's pink, but I don't like pink. I just like the strawberry. It have common, rare, and ultra rare. But in strawberry series is no ultra rare, but only rare. Let's just unbox it. And we got a kitty cat and with this thing. It's so cute. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. It's scented like strawberry. By the way, it's common. Thanks for watching. It's very soft. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Jangan lupa like, comment, share, subscribe. Dadah.